Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
Here you go, Pebbles, a nice balloon.
Oh, Fred, don't give that to Pebbles.
Why not? It's just a toy.
Picture 2.
That's why not Fred Flintstone.
Oh, no! Let go, Pebbles. Daddy will catch you.
Picture 3.
Look, Fred, she let go, but now that awful pterodactyl is after her. What'll we do?
Picture 4.
No, don't worry, old Fred will save it with this pedal plane.
But Fred!
I hope I can fly it. It's our only chance.
Picture 5.
There they go! Oh, pedal faster, Fred! Oh, she's taking poor Pebbles to her neck!
Picture 6.
Look, Fred, they're all playing together. They must like Pebbles.
Picture 7.
Thanks for saving our little girl, Mrs. Dactyl. Goodbye.
So long.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
The Flintstones and the Rebels are having a picnic. Bamm-Bamm, as usual, is playing with Pebbles and keeping an eye on her.
Picture 2.
Suddenly, Pebbles loses her balance and right into the water just as a sea monster comes swimming by.
Picture 3.
Bamm-Bamm zoomed right into the water to save his little friend. The fishes quickly darted out of the way. But the monster hasn't given up yet.
Picture 4.
With an easy toss, Pebbles lands safely in a giant daisyola. But the monster has taken Bamm-Bamm's favorite cap.
Go, go!
Picture 5.
The monster is surprised and worried when Bamm-Bamm grabs him by the neck and shakes him to get back the cat.
Picture 6.
Bamm-Bamm gets his cap back and dives into the water. Betty and Wilma are worried about the little boy, but the monster is worried for himself.
Picture 7.
Thanking Bam-Bam for a job well done, Fred gets the little boy's power handshake. Ooh-wee! The monster thinks he's been turned into a pretzel.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
Now you kids play here where it's safe while Barney and I hunt for a saber-toothed tiger. Fred doesn't see the tiger behind the bush.
Picture 2.
As soon as the men are gone, the tiger snatches Pebbles and leaps away. Bam-Bam doesn't like this at all.
Go, go!
Picture 3.
The tiger thinks he's escaped, but we know it takes more than that to stop Bam-Bam. Pebbles thinks this is fun.
Yeah, go!
Picture 4.
Bam-Bam likes to play rock ball, and his good batting average takes care of the tiger. Pebbles isn't safe yet.
Picture 5.
Bam-Bam swings over a vine and scoops up Pebbles just in time to save her from a giant mammoth, the prehistoric cousin of the elephant.
Picture 6.
Fred and Barney have had no luck at all hunting. Let's get the kids and go home. They're probably as bored as we are.
Picture 7.
Hi, kids. I see you found a swing to play on. Well, let's go. There's nothing exciting around here.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up